In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in LucidSpark. If you're brainstorming or building diagrams on an infinite canvas, smooth zooming helps you focus on details without losing your place. First, let's get set up. Go to lucid.app and sign in so you land on the home page. From here, open something you've been working on, start a new blank board, or pick a template to jump right in. Once your board is open, you're ready to navigate. Let's start with the simplest method, your mouse or trackpad. With a mouse, use the scroll wheel to control your view. Scroll up to zoom in and get closer to your content, and scroll down to zoom out for a wider view. On a trackpad, use pinch and spread gestures. Pinch to zoom out and spread your fingers to zoom in. As you zoom, keep your cursor near the area you want to magnify because LucidSpark uses that point as a reference. Next, panning. To move around the canvas, hold the right mouse button and drag. This lets you glide across the board without accidentally selecting objects. It's especially useful after you've zoomed in and want to reframe your view quickly. For even faster control, use the spacebar with your mouse. Hold the spacebar and scroll to zoom in and out while maintaining a smooth, controlled movement. This is a great way to make quick adjustments without switching tools, and it keeps your navigation fluid when you're moving between sections. If you want precise control, head to the bottom right toolbar. You'll see a zoom percentage display and a slider. Click the percentage to choose a specific level or tap the plus and minus buttons to nudge your zoom in small increments. This is perfect when you need consistent zoom levels across different boards or when collaborating and you want everyone looking at the same scale. Finally, if you've zoomed and panned a lot and need to refocus, use Zoom to Content in the navigation toolbar at the bottom right. One click centers your view and fits all your content on the screen, so you can reset and decide where to go next. That's it. Combine the scroll wheel or trackpad gestures for quick changes, the spacebar plus scroll for smooth control, right-click drag to move around, and the toolbar for precision. Keep an eye on the percentage readout, and when things feel off, Zoom to Content brings everything back into view. With these tools, navigating LucidSpark becomes fast, accurate, and effortless.